So this is my airsoft arsenal. First, to start off, I have an L96 sniper rifle with scope. Then I have just normal Stinger shotgun, pump action, extended mag, 240 rounds. Then I have a full metal AEG M4, 300 round capacity mag, and red dot. Over here I just have a normal spring pistol. Not exactly sure what it is. And I have a Desert Eagle here, blowback, green gas. And here I have a Crossman CO2 pistol. My sniper rifle has 500 FPS. This is ranged about 350, my shotgun. My machine gun has 440. I'm not exactly sure. I think this is about 310 FPS. My deagle is, I think, 400, and same with my CO2 pistol. So I'm just going to shoot the Desert Eagle for you. Here. Hold this. It's blowback, so. And you can see that. And then here's my CO2, it's non-blowback. Semi-automatic. And I'm not going to shoot my machine gun, but here's a look down the red shot, down the red dot. You can see the laser. It's pretty accurate. It's full metal, so pretty sweet gun. And here is my L96 sniper rifle. It is bolt action. Cock it right here. And then just a 32 by 2 scope. It's not too powerful, so you can't, so that you can see the whole BB fly instead of it going too far. And that's pretty much my arsenal. Other than this, which is just normal pump action shotgun. Wind the clip at the bottom, 240 rounds. And that's my airsoft arsenal.